guys doing? This is Nick here. This video is reference to my first mod on my newly purchased 2002 Mustang GT. This is going to be a project car for me. It's something that I've been wanting to do, having an itch for, and I haven't done a video on the inside and out of how the car looks or my purchase journey or anything of that nature. But my first mod came in, and what I got is a Shorty antenna. If no one's familiar with that, what that is rather than the very long, huge, almost 3-foot antenna for the radio that they put on the front right of the car. This is shortened down to an 8-inch version of it. It's very sleek, clean looking. It's definitely a good first mod to put on your car, and it's very easy to install. I'm going to show you how to install it today. So I'm going to open this up, and as you see here, roughly 8 inches long, and we'll go ahead with the install. I'll show you how to put it on. So here's the original manufactured OEM radio antenna. These bad boys are on the 99 through 2004 SN95 New Edge Mustangs, also on previous generations, and they still have on maybe a few Ford vehicles, I'm not entirely sure. Alright, so usually what you can do is just with your fingers, you can spin this lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. If it doesn't come undone specifically just by your fingers, just take a quick set of pliers, go on there, grab it, go to the left a little bit, it'll come undone. Mine wasn't too bad, I was able to get it with my fingers. So go ahead and spin it off. Just gonna lift right up. Alright, so what we can go ahead and do is, as you see, it's already threaded on the bottom. Nothing else you need to do, just put it in the hole, spin it righty-tighty with your fingers. There you go. Knocks off a heck of a lot of a bit of that long whip that was on there. Very clean looking. Looks so much better. It's usually a typical first mod for the looks. I'm just gonna have the original next to it just so you can see the difference here. It just goes and goes and goes and goes. So this was on eBay for $8.99. I'm gonna put a link in the description on who I bought it from. eBay gave me a $5 coupon to use just as a special. So I was like, heck, let me give it a shot. So knocked $5 off, and I paid $3.99 for this with free shipping. Can't complain. $3.99, easy mod, looks cleaner, and I'm just gonna get rid of the old whip. I appreciate you guys stopping by the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Tell me how you think it looks. Have you done the same mod? And I'll try to find the link to who I bought it from, so maybe they still have a few left, and check eBay, see if they have any coupons for you hanging around the message area. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by.